Here, let me hold the bag so we can actually see his face. What? He's got it. He's just going to town with the bag. Pizza roll time. Pizza. He's just going to town with the bag. And I think he's done.